What's the meaning of curette? Curette. Curette.
Curette. Curette. Curette is a medical instrument used for scraping or removing tissue from an organ or body cavity, particularly the uterus or ear canal. It typically consists of a long, slender handle with a small, scoop-shaped tip at the end. The purpose of using a curette can vary depending on the situation, but it is commonly used to obtain tissue samples for biopsy or to remove abnormal tissue growths. Overall, a curette is a valuable tool for diagnosing and treating a variety of medical conditions.